Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Yaris horn full guide. Start by parking safely and disconnecting the battery to avoid shocks. Remove the grille or access panel carefully using the correct trim tool to reveal the horn assembly. Inspect the wiring and mounting bracket for damage before removing the horn. I will walk you through testing, removing, and installing the replacement horn with clear, simple steps and friendly tips. Begin by accessing the horn area with the grille or panel off, and make sure the battery remains disconnected. Locate the horn, then remove the mounting bolts with a socket while supporting the horn so it does not fall. Carefully unplug the electrical connector by pressing the release tab and pulling straight out. Test the connector for corrosion and clean contacts if needed before installing the new horn for reliable operation. Install the new horn by aligning it on the original bracket and tightening bolts to secure it without over-torquing. Reconnect the horn connector, ensuring a firm click, then reconnect the battery to proceed with testing. Press the horn button several times to verify sound and consistency, listening for clear tone and volume. If the horn is weak, check ground connections and fuse. Replace fuse if blown. Finish by reassembling the grille or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.